Okay, hi guys. Plan today, if you can see me, is to start emptying this room out fully and painting these pinkish walls a kind of a, I don't know, like a light grey, which will be more in keeping with studio-ness. I don't know, it'll just look nicer. And hopefully I'll have time to put up these guys, my guitar wall mount DVDs, and that'll be a big way towards making the studio room an actual studio room rather than a gammy looking spare living room. Right, so I'm just going to do a time lapse of the whole thing pretty much, unless I can think of something interesting to say. So I'm going to set up the GoPro type cameras and just let them run while I paint the walls, and then we might stop and say some nonsense and put up these lads. Yeah, I've been procrastinating because this is kind of a big job. Yay. Right, so this is pretty much it now. Just about finished. I gave up on filming after a little while because it was clear that it was going to be taking a lot longer than I thought it would. And who wants to watch that amount of time of me putting paint on walls? I mean, you get the picture. I painted the walls. And the file sizes were getting ridiculously big, and it was just going to be a huge, time lapse of me painting. So anyway, next step is I'm going to go around and just do a few little spots that need an extra touch up, and then I'm going to rearrange the furniture, and after that we will be trying to put the guitars on the walls. And we also have a visitor. Where is he? Can we see him? Oh, he ran away. Right. Right, that's pretty much that done so far. Obviously it needs to be tidied and whatnot, but yeah, I'm planning on having the piano and the two couches back there for now. That way it'll, free up some space to actually work in, but I still want to get rid of those couches. There's no need for them. And against this wall here, we're going to be building my home studio desk. You can see here, if you can see it, I have some of the pieces moved on already. The rest of the desk, the big bulky parts of the desk, are still at my parents' house for storage. But they should be down with that in the next month, hopefully. And then I can build the desk here. I was planning on putting up some guitar wall mounts, but proving a bit more difficult than I thought. It's going to require a bit more effort to find studs or figure out some way of hanging them safely. So I'm going to leave this video as is for today and do the guitar wall hangings as a separate episode. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and check back next time where I'll hopefully be putting some guitars on walls. Cheers.